Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, there's not really any fixing cars or projects or whatever content. Today I have some tools that I'd like to show you, and I'm going to turn it into one of them unboxing videos that people seem to think is really popular. And I'll show you those tools right now. So what I have here is a QuickJack. Now obviously they don't sponsor me because nobody watches my channel. So I got this to help with this. And as you can tell, my garage is a little too short for a lift, and it's also a little too cluttered and narrow for a lift. So I got one of these. I figure I could slide it up underneath it, click a button and raise the car up. And if I need to do any real heavy work, I could grab a 6-ton jack stand, which I already have under the car. You can't see it, but they raise up really, really high compared to like a 2 or 3-ton jack stand. But I figure let's open this thing up and check it out at least. I spent the money on it. Let's look at it. All right, so I got this first box open. Looks like we got giant rubber blocks, probably for pads for lifting up. They look like giant Legos, I'll be honest with you. And they fit together like Legos. There's a couple different height ones. Here's the tall one. I think you get 4 of each, I'm not sure. I've heard these are hit or miss, like they slip off or something. I don't know, but there's some booklet here. It says stop in a bunch of different languages. Okay. Pneumatic hose, or hydraulic hoses. Box of something. Another block here. Oh, there's the 4th one. All right, so we got 2 sets of blocks. This must be some kind of power system. Oh, that just broke. There's another hose. That's a short one. Actually, there's 2 of them there. Oh, cool. All right, so this feels really delicate. I don't know if I want to really mess with this too much. There's another booklet down here. Just, okay. Parts list, I guess. Well, I picked it up the right way. Yeah, bag came right off. Yeah, hydraulic pump or something. Cord. Yep. All right, why don't we close this so that we can see what we're doing here. All right, so 1-phase induction motor, reservoir, up-down buttons. This thing will fall through if I put it like that. Long cord, hydraulic ins and outs. No idea what that is. Yeah, I think this thing takes like a gallon of ATF or something for hydraulic fluid. But all right, let's get the rest of the stuff out. All right, well, I saved you all the boring parts. I got the hoses hooked up, I hope. I think I did them right. I checked the air pressure in these relief cylinders. I got this put together and plumbed. No free ads, but if they want to give me money, I'll leave it on. I got this filled up. I got, obviously, the connectors put on. I got the wiring all put out for the control box and stuff. So I figure, I know it's already in the air, but why don't we roll it under and see if it works. I didn't bother to take you through the boring process of setting up all of the hydraulic hoses and running things out and hooking it up and bleeding it and all that stuff. But you know, you get your manual out and you learn how to do this stuff. And I filled the reservoir up with ATF, like I said. I ran it through its paces a whole bunch of times without anything on it so that I could bleed the thing out. And Seems to be going pretty well, but I think it's about time that we disconnect the quick connects from these individual ramps, or whatever they call them. Throw it underneath the car and see if it works. I bet you any money that since this thing is on jack stands right now, obviously, that these are too long to fit in between the jack stands and I won't be able to pick the car up. But we'll give it a shot here, I guess, right? All right, this side here. These little handles they give you is nice. Well, until you drop it like that. At least I keep my foot out of the way. That's okay. I don't really think this is meant to be used like this, but I guess I'll figure it out as we go. Well, it's looking quite like, yep. I think we're gonna have to dry run this thing with the car on the ground because it is not looking like the jack stands are gonna fit in between this. All right, well, off you go. Gotta get the regular jack out. All right, now we got the real test here. Camera's a little close. Now they said 3 inches, but I'm not really believing it. Hey, it fits. This thing needs where'd the little thing go? Pardon me for a moment, I gotta find my little dust cap there. Who knows where it went, but I ain't wasting my time doing that right now. Okay. That looks like that's on a frame point. Oops. This side's a little tough because I got a lot of stuff in the way. Might have to be stacking blocks on this. See, this is how you learn how to do things. Trial and error. My exhaust runs out the car on this side and it's not, it's below the frame. So I got rubber blocks that came with this thing. So what I'll do is I'll stack the blocks up to get it as close to the frame on this side as possible. Probably match the other side and bring it up. I found my dust cap thingy. Should have put my microphone on because then at least you guys would be able to hear me. Okay, after a whole bunch of trial and error, I got the quick disconnects hooked up. I got the QuickJacks underneath, wherever the heck you can see them. I don't know. Let me see. Hang on a second, I'll get you in there. It's under there somewhere. I got a problem right here with my exhaust pipe. I got a problem with the pipes possibly hitting. There's a couple clamps welded to the frame. I had to build the blocks up, like these blocks here that they give you, look like Lego bricks. I had to build those up enough that it would clear it. I got the whole motor and stuff set up here. I'll probably move this plug somewhere easier where it won't stretch out, probably up in here somewhere. But what's cool is that these hoses are all on quick disconnects that are really super nice. They don't drop a single drop of fluid out of them. So I got this back here. The lines will run around both sides of the car to the back where the quick disconnects are. I got this side pretty good because there's no exhaust pipes under there. And well, you're about to watch me try this for the first time. All right, up and down. Let's see. Holy crap, all right. Wait. Let's just make sure nothing's falling off. Nothing's, oop, I just broke my camera. Oh, crap. No, anyway, screw it. All right, let's just make sure nothing's falling off. How we doing? Blocks are all on. It's touching here. So I think we're gonna have to cut this little bar off here. I'll be right back. Okay, take 2. just time out here for 1 second. Let's just keep an eye on it. I'm not getting under the car to look. I'm just going to look from here. Everything looks like it's on the frame. Nothing looks like it's falling over. There's your first click. This thing can go higher? That's only the first click. All right, let's keep going. Holy cow. That's your second click. And there she is. She's resting on the hook. Oh, baby. All right, so I gotta adjust the camera. This thing went up so high. Actually, you know what? I'll take you with me. Just for frame of reference, I can do anything under here. I can build a fort. Like, this is, here's a 5-gallon bucket. That fits under there pretty easy. Matter of fact, why don't we get a tape measure and make this official? Jesus, this is the highest I've ever seen a car in this shop. All right, where's my, I got a tape measure here. All right. Well, let's start on this side because this frame is on there. That is approximately 21 inches off the ground. That's pretty good. All right, so I'll do the sturdy test. Not moving. 21 inches up, still not moving. That's pretty good. Now, how you release these things is really pretty simple. The safety lock here. This thing is made by BenPack, and BenPack makes really good lifts. This is super easy, though. This is your lock mechanism, your safety lock device, as it says. And it's got little grooves in here that this thing latches into. Now, obviously, this thing needs to come back up because I got it set to lock right now. So what you do is you come over, you hit up, it comes up a bit, comes off the locks. Again, super easy. This isn't like a lift. You pick it up, you put it down. It's just that simple. You walk around, you got to make sure you put them on the outside on each side so that it goes the right way. See? Pick up, put down. That's literally all you have to do. Once you got your safeties pulled off, grab it, hit down. You hear it click over it. See, it comes down pretty quick. Oh, you hear that noise? This is a self-breathing system. You see it's kind of bubbling out of here. It might have been a little bit of air that it's relieving, but that's okay. Hydraulics are supposed to do that. That's why they're self-breathing. So I'd give it a minute. I'd just kind of stop, and then I let her go down a little bit more. You hear the air coming out of it. That's it. Okay, so this is definitely not one of those tools that makes you go faster. This is one of those tools that makes your life better. I don't know how much better it's gonna make it because now that I have that underneath this side of the car and that side of the car, I now can't get in the side of the car. I have to go in through the front and under the back and up the middle. Basically, you gotta go front to back on the car if you wanna work on it. I don't know if I could get actually jack stands under the car now. I might be able to find a spot, but this thing is whatever, dude. You'll be able to work. There's so much room under it now, you could basically crawl under it. It seems pretty stable. I'm incredibly happy with how fast it is. It takes like 5 times longer to set up than it does to jack the car up and down. So that's quite impressive, honestly. So that's it for this week. I got dang it, so many offensive things behind me. So that's it for this week. I'm pretty happy with it. I was like, they're running a sale. They're $250 off. They're made by an incredibly reputable company, and I can use it on my street car if I ever need to do something. So that's it for today or this week. I'm sure there'll be some content that involves working on something very soon. We go back racing on September 15th at Thompson Speedway Motorsports Park. Check it out there. If you can't make it, I think they have pay-per-view available on speed51.com or .tv. I don't remember which one it is. Probably both. like and subscribe if you can. Help me grow this channel a little bit. Share it with your friends if you find it entertaining in the least. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.